Hi, my name is Nicole, and I'm with the Solutions team at Vectorworks. In this video, I'll walk you through how to get started with some of our parametric tools to help bring your architecture design ideas to life. Let's start with the basics. Select the wall tool from the building shell set, click to begin your wall, then click again to end. Add more wall segments by clicking and double-clicking to finish. Walls can be shown in both 2D and 3D, and you can adjust their thickness and style easily. Next, use the window and door tools, also in the building shell set. Pick your style, then click on the wall to insert. Drag to set the size or type in exact dimensions. Windows and doors drop right into walls and remain editable. With just these three tools, you can draft building layouts fast and see your progress in both plan and in 3D. Just select, click, and drag to adjust. From here, you can create plans, sections, elevations, and even automated worksheets. Vectorworks makes it simple. Now, let's make a slab. Start by selecting the slab tool from the building shell set. At the top, you'll find modes, like polyline. Use this to click around the shape, double-clicking to finish, and close the slab. You'll see your slab appear in both your drawing and in 3D. If you already have walls, try the Picked Walls mode. Just click each wall the slab should fit to, and Vectorworks fills in it automatically. If you want another option, you can always just extrude a rectangle using our rectangle tool. Then, use the extrude command and set the height and thickness. You can always edit slab properties, like thickness and materials, over in the Object Info palette. With either the slab tool or extrude, you can add quickly customizable floor and roof elements to your model, making your design flexible and easy to manage. Once you use these tools to lay out your design, Vectorworks keeps track of key data for each object. For example, when you select a wall, you'll see its length, height, thickness, and area in the Object Info palette. For windows and doors, their width, height, and style are displayed, and you can change these values at any time. With slabs and extruded shapes, you can check and edit thickness and area details just by selecting them. All these objects have materials assigned, which you can adjust for scheduling or calculations. Vectorworks can automatically generate simple schedules. With just a few clicks, you can list out room areas, wall lengths, window and door counts, and more. This lets you keep your drawing and project data connected. If you need to update your drawing, any changes you make update the project data instantly. No need to redo anything manually. Vectorworks makes it easy to connect design and data, helping you keep your project organized and accurate. If you have any questions about what we've covered, feel free to reach out to schedule a one-on-one demo with a solutions specialist. You can also explore more tutorials and helpful guides on the Vectorworks University, or check out our onboarding content to get the most out of your trial.